quick little video. I've got this Wharfedale centre channel speaker. Well, in fact I've got a set of Wharfedale home theatre speakers. And I did a video just now of the Kenwood home theatre amp. Pulled that down, resoldered some bad solder joints, stuff like that, gave it a bit of an overhaul, put it back together. And thinking that might solve the problem with distortion on the centre channel. It didn't. The amp's working fine though. So I thought, okay, let's swap the speakers around and just see if the distortion moves or whether it stays on the centre channel. So I swapped a couple of channels around. I swapped the left speaker and the centre around, and the centre channel stayed bad. So this speaker was definitely bad. I'm surprised by that. I mean, I bought this Wharfedale speaker system brand new, I don't know, about maybe 15 years ago. About the same time as I got the amp, I think, around that sort of time. About 15 years, maybe slightly longer, around then. So I thought I'd pull this apart. I thought maybe there's something wrong with the crossover, or was a loose wire or something, you know. Because I mean, this hasn't actually had that much use. You know, less than 100 hours. And even then, it's, you know, just home theatre. It's not had music cranking through it and stuff like that. It's just light usage. I tend to look after my stuff. I take care of things to make sure that they'll last a long time. I started looking at these speakers, and I was looking at this one. Can you see something wrong with this? Like, just down there? Yeah, I'll try and get it even in focus for you. How's that? Ish. In focus-ish. Can you see that? Like, the fact you can see my finger through that gap there? That gap there? In the surround? See this? It's like, it's completely torn away. All the way around. Completely torn off. Apart from one little bit, like that long, it's still intact. The rest of it's gone off. And I looked at this speaker, and this has got a little bit going off just there. A little bit just over here. Right round to there, right? So this was going as well. Well, that's concerning. I mean, they feel nice and pliable still, not going brittle, they still feels fine. So why if it's splitting there? I've never known a speaker to fail like that when the rubber still felt nice. And I have known them fail, but the rubber's always been deteriorated at that point, you know. But these feel fine. So these are failed. I thought, that's weird. So I went and checked my main speakers, like the left and right channels. They are exactly the same. They're not the same speakers, they're bigger speakers the next size up. There's a woofer and a mid and stuff in that unit. And they're all, both of them are the same. The surround is all splitting off in exactly the same place. So is this a design flaw from Wharfedale? I'm actually really tempted to get hold of Wharfedale, email them, and say, hey, my speakers are falling apart. Why? I expected these to last a lot longer than this. I mean, yes, I've had them for over a decade. That's still a reasonable time frame. But they haven't actually had much usage. And like, they're still in really good condition. Apart from the fact they're falling apart, which is weird.